Welcome, Mighty Mustangs. This is our virtual open house, and we are the Encore team. We're going to introduce ourselves, and we look forward to meeting you in our classroom. So I'm Mrs. Gommel. I'm the music teacher. We will be doing reading music, listening to many new styles. We'll be doing lots of movement and activities. And we also have Quaver back again this year. So we'll get you set up with those accounts in the classroom. And now on to Miss Pete. She is our media specialist.
Hello, I am Mrs. Pete, the library media specialist, and this year you will be having library classes in the library on a regular basis. And students are going to be learning about digital citizenship, how to use technology responsibly. You're going to be learning information skills, how to do research and choose good books and good information for your projects. And then you're also going to be experiencing books and the joys of reading, because reading is fun. And that's what we're going to be doing. And now on to Ms. Massey.
Hello, I'm Miss Massey and I teach orchestra. This year the K through 2 are going to be learning to play the violin, and grade 3 you can experience off one of each of the 4 string instruments. Actually, you can experience all of them. And then in 4th and 5th grade, you're going to pick your favorite instrument to play for that year, for this year. On this page, you can see a link to my website, so you can click on that. And I've attached a video where it shows the 4 instruments that are available in orchestra class this year. And I'll see you Wednesday. And next is Miss Vaughn.
Hello, I'm Miss Vaughn and I am the dance teacher. I am glad to be back at Long Creek. And this year, we're going to explore different styles of dance. We're going to learn dances from different cultures. And we're also going to learn how to create our own dances. So I look forward to seeing you all next week. Next, we have Mr. Nichols.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. Nichols, the band teacher here at Long Creek. I'm so excited to be able to get back to instruments with you guys. It will still look a little different, but we are definitely going to be able to play this year. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the different instruments to explore the amazing world of music. So K1 will use recorders and some percussion things. 2nd grade will use brass instruments. 3rd grade will use woodwinds. And then 4th and 5th grade, just like orchestra, will get to pick their favorite and they will get to learn how to play more in depth on that instrument. So I'm so excited to be able to get back to instruments. And now we're going to move over to Coach Dawkins.
What's up, everyone? This is Coach Dawkins. In PE class this year, we'll learn and create healthy habits and also participate in fun physical activities. Can't wait to see you all on Wednesday. And next up, we have Mr. Mihei with Theater Arts.
Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Mihei. Welcome back, 2021. And together we will discover the magic of theater in my classroom. Don't be surprised, I am now in a different space on the 2nd floor. So I'll see you back here. Last but not the least, we have our art teacher, Miss Beam.
Hey everyone, I'm Miss Beam, your art teacher. I'm so looking forward to having you back in the art room. This year we are going to explore so many more materials and create such beautiful artwork and get our hands dirty. We can't wait to see you on Wednesday, August 25th, and you will be in your Encore class the very first day. Have a great school year.